So hi, in this video we are going to see about support and resistance, how to keep in the chart. Let us understand, if I take the example of Nifty 50, in this chart how I'll keep a support and how I'll understand a resistance. First of all, what is a support? You can see here. In this, the best example is the chart. If you observe here, it started like this and it is going for a bullish mode up to here, and again fallen, again it came down, again going up and down like this. So whenever you see some region here, if you see here, I'm just writing some band of line here. So what is happening here is, when it started from here, it went up and again it came close to this band line, and it has gone up, again came here. Like that number of times if it comes there, we call that line as support line. So that you can draw one line for that, until unless if it is not moving below that line which I have been created here, band line, then you can say that it works as a support for your market, so that it will not go down below that value. So this is called support. If you go to resistance, if you want to see the resistance here, the same thing here also you can observe. Here I am writing some band like this. See the band. Whenever it is going to tap this band above the line and coming down, again it is going to that same region and coming down. Like that, if multiple attempts happens at the top, we call that as resistance. So bottom we call this as support, above we call it as resistance. Whenever you identify the resistance and support like this, you can understand that the market is moving in between this resistance and support. So now if the market, if it moves above the resistance, suppose if it gives breakout here, then you can go for a plan of bullish trades. If the same concept, if it happens, if it breakouts this band line, whatever the band line I have written, if it breakouts down here, you can go for put trade. Generally, this is the tendency of the traders, what they will try to do. Sometimes what happens is, when the candle goes green candle above this, everybody will go to bullish mode. Then the operators will make them trap, where they'll keep one big green candle for about 5 to 10 minutes candle, so that everybody will think that it is a breakout came above the resistance, so everybody will go for bullish mode. At that time, the operators, what they will do is, they'll try to make a big red candle into this resistance line, so that the total, whatever the stop losses we have for the buyers, everybody will be in the trap. So please understand, whenever there is a breakout for about 5 minutes up, don't go immediately to the buying. It has to come to retrace your resistance line and it has to go up. Then only you have to apply the trade. Directly after breakup, whenever the candle is breaking your band, don't go immediately after resistance. That is not good. It has to come as a retracement back, then you can apply it and keep a minimum stop loss below the band. Then it is a good trade. In the similar manner, the same thing happens here also. Support below, if any red candle is formed, most of the retailers, what they do is, they will go for put trade. But these operators, what they do is, they'll try to make a big green candle into the support line, and automatically they'll push that candle towards the resistance. At that time, who has taken the put trade, they all will be in the trap. So that's why, to avoid these trapping zones, what we have to do is, one red candle, 5 minutes you have to wait. After that, one green candle, if it touches the whatever the support zone we have, the band, if it touches it, and again if a red candle forms, which is called a retracement, then you can enter into it. Such type of trades will give a perfection. Unnecessarily, by seeing red candle, if you enter to the put trade, your total trade will be in loss. So these are very, very important when you are trading. For support and resistance are very valuable things to see whenever you are trading. Okay, so now I hope you understood. If any multiple attempts are coming to this line, we call it a support line. If any multiple rejections are happening at the top, we call it as resistance. Okay, thank you very much.